Well, hello everyone. How are you all doing today? My name is Preston Scott, and I am a travel agent with IntelliTravel. Today, my job is to share some information with you all that can help you to make an educated decision and an informed decision about our business. Now, you've probably had an opportunity to see one of our videos, or you may have even met someone online or through a marketing or advertisement somewhere, or you may have seen a business card, and you may be a little skeptical, or maybe a little kind of wondering whether or not this is a real business, or whether or not this is a viable opportunity. Sometimes people even ask the question, what do I get, or how does it work? So we wanted to take the time, our organization, we're with the Platinum Network. We want to take a moment to kind of show you all exactly what you would get. We're going to go through your IntelliTravel online office. Now, this is a state-of-the-art online office suite that you can check into on a daily basis to operate your business. As you guys can see, my progress here personally, I'm over 50% with my training. We're going to train you guys and teach you how to really build a business. As you can see, this is personalized to me. Ladies and gentlemen, you'll get a personal search engine as well. All right. You'll be able to take a look at your own commissions whenever you like to. You're going to get paid with this business. All right. You get a customer management system. This is a marketing system for you and for you to be able to utilize for your customers. We have a quick start guide for those of you who want to get started quickly. We also have an agent training manual. We want to make sure that we leave no stone uncovered for your training. Customer profile forms, credit card authorization, insurance waivers. We give you all the tools that you need to be successful in business. Now, here's some of our more successful agents, and we tell you, look at the income that they're generating. These are real people making real money in a real business, ladies and gentlemen. All right. This is just an idea of some of the income that you're able to make just by booking travel. All right. These folks are getting it done. These are some of our team members worldwide making it happen. All right. Real people making real money with our real business. All right. So let me show you a few other things. You can actually book travel for your clients or yourself right here, within your online office. As you can see, we got hotels, flights, car rentals, cruises, vacation packages. We also have some preferred partners. All right, we have some VIP partner exclusive deals. You can also order passports and visas. We have hot deals that you can browse through as well, ladies and gentlemen. Isn't that awesome? Hotels by themselves, flights, cars, cruises, packages, activities. How about some activities? What about some city and day tours, concerts, activities by air, right? How about some VIP behind the scenes access on your vacation or for your particular customer? You can start booking some of these as well. Ladies and gentlemen, we have VIP partners. We're not going to show you that. You got to be a member to see some of the VIP exclusive partners that work with us. We have travel insurance that you can get and provide for your customers. We have some preferred partners that we work with that give us some amazing rates and some exclusive deals. Here's where you would register your bookings that you book outside of your search engine right here in your online office. Ladies and gentlemen, a few hot deals here, all right, that you have access to. These are for you and or your client, ladies and gentlemen. Hot deals, all right? Amazing, amazing, amazing. And this is just a few. We have quite a bit. As you can see, you can scroll down rather far here. But I just wanted to get you guys an idea. We have some amazing hot deals. Now, just want to show you a few things here as well. Our customer management system. Right, where you can actually put your customers' information in here, and the business will help you, the company will help you to market and stay in contact with your customers. Isn't that awesome? We have marketing and sales tools also, right? We're not going to kind of leave you high and dry. We're going to help you. We got a print shop, ladies and gentlemen. This is a very viable business here. Products include business cards, magnets, letterhead, envelopes. I mean, look at that, jackets. We have bling t-shirts, right? Large magnets, things that you can put on your car door, because I've coined the phrase, marketing is everything. It doesn't matter what business you're in, we're all in the same business, and that's the business of marketing. So if you're not marketing, right, you're really not building your business. So we put that and we provide this here for you with IntelliTravel. Now, how about some amazing deals for you as an agent with us? We have something called Agent Only FAM. FAM stands for, or is short for, familiarization. They're vendors and suppliers that want us to get familiar with their properties. All right, you go out and you travel like a professional. Okay, here's a few, or I may let you peek at one of our FAM trips. All right, how about that? Look at that, 3 nights at Azul Beach Resort Riviera for just $199. Are you kidding me? And we had some amazing, I mean, this can scroll down pretty far. Sail through Ukraine. All right, again, these are pretty exclusive to our travel professionals. But if some of you were wondering, like, what are my benefits? What am I getting? And some of you are like, well, I don't know how to do this. How about education? We educate you, ladies and gentlemen. We make sure that you know how to do this business. You have a tutorial library that pretty much shows you, right, how to work this business and how to, build your online business. We don't leave you hanging. We get you educated. We even have an online university. It's called IntelliTravel University, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, I'm working through here. I've personally received my Dream Maker certificate, working on becoming a vacation builder and eventually travel genius. And next after that is our IntelliTravel Ambassador program. It is the state-of-the-art program among the travel industry, ladies and gentlemen. And if that wasn't enough, we have an online academy with training videos that gives you things like, how to do your personal website, about the suppliers, how to build a client newsletter, your marketing plan, right? Talking about branding your business, how to book a hotel. We show you that, how to book a cruise, how to book airline tickets, how to book car rentals, how to register your bookings, how to get money, how to get your commissions, right? How to do international booking. Some of you may love international bookings. All right. We show you some of our marketing, how to get your FAM trips, your agent rates, and then you just simply take a final exam, which is very simple and fun and educational as well. We have a lot of things that you can benefit from. We have some partner education. You'll learn, all right, how to deal with some of our partners. Again, we have a tutorial video to show you how to do that, ladies and gentlemen. We just love this. What we do here with IntelliTravel. So I just want to take a moment, to show you guys the business. This is what it is. The person who invited you to take a look at this, they're showing you a tried and true real business. Matter of fact, I took the liberty to go ahead and kind of go out to the Better Business Bureau. All right, because some of us, love to do some research, which is great. So the name of our company is IntelliTravel, website IntelliTravel.com, and we're in Delray Beach, Florida. So I'm going to go ahead and search IntelliTravel. And as you can see, IntelliTravel is down here. And we have an A+ Better Business Bureau rating, all right, which is phenomenal, ladies and gentlemen. So if you were wondering whether or not this was a, pyramid scheme or whatever, the Better Business Bureau does not rate pyramid schemes, especially giving them an A+. That just does not happen. This is a company where you are not able to recruit a team and build a team. Now, we do have a marketing partner where if you wanted to introduce others to the concept, you could partner with our sister company and then we could, assist you in doing that. But we're looking for travel agents. We're looking for people who want to book travel, who want to build a business from home, all right, and make money in which we understand is the largest industry in the entire world, travel. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so I hope you all had a moment to enjoy this video. Again, get back to the person who introduced you to the concept, and they'll go ahead and get you started in business. All right, so thank you so much. You all have an amazing day, and we look forward to working with you all very soon and helping you to achieve all of your goals and dreams with our company. Bye-bye.